Welcome! In this video, we will show how МетаДrag can be used for drug repositioning and solving the mechanism of action using mebendazole as an example. Mebendazole is an approved anthelmintic drug that is in preclinical studies for cancer treatment. Mebendazole is a microtubule disrupting agent, however, its action in cancer cells differs from traditional tubulin-targeted agents. We use МetaDrag to suggest alternative targets. We can start our analysis from the Predict Compound Activity tab on the Start page to upload the structure using all default settings. Alternatively, you can search for the structure of mebendazole from our database. МetaDrag produces a report containing all of the results of the calculations on one interactive page, and this can be found from the My Structures folder from the Start page. To access the МetaDrag report, double-click on the compound. To understand how the targets were produced by МetaDrag, let's have a closer look at the Possible Targets table. This table shows our input structure and the structure of any similar compounds that pass the similarity threshold. These numbers correspond to Tanimoto coefficients that show just how similar the database compounds are to mebendazole. Targets of the similar compounds annotated from the literature are listed in this column. You can click on each link to get literature evidence that supports this information. Among the targets, the known target of mebendazole, tubulin, was predicted, as well as androgen receptor, XIAP, and IAP2 proteins. To suggest a mechanism of action of mebendazole, we can use pathways and processes from the enrichment analysis section. GeneGo Pathway Maps shows anti-apoptosis pathways as the most significant for mebendazole targets. Let's open the second map to find predicted targets on this pathway. Targets such as XIAP and IAP2 are highlighted here and are shown to inhibit caspases that are indicated by red arrows. Therefore, their inhibition by mebendazole can lead to caspase activation and apoptosis induction. To further confirm this hypothesis, different types of omics data, such as expression data, can be uploaded into МетаДrag and used for additional validation with this map. For this study, we uploaded 4 expression profiles obtained after treating rats with mebendazole using our experiment parser. Let's activate the profiles by selecting the data and choosing the Activate button, and refresh the map to visualize the data. On the map, the expression level for each protein is indicated as red or blue bars. We can see that all experiments show upregulation of caspases, indicated by the red bars. That additionally confirms the suggested hypothesis about apoptosis activation under mebendazole treatment. From the МetaDrag report, we can use the GeneGo Disease Biomarker Network as a guide for mebendazole repositioning. This report suggests cancers are a possible secondary indication for mebendazole. Thank you for your attention.